My model airplanes, part 2, Airliners. And hello again. This is your host Carlo with new airplanes. I think I have my newest airplane here. I'm not sure, but today I'll be featuring one of Boeing's newest airplanes, which is the 787-800 from about a year or two ago. So come on, let's go check them out. There it is. Okay, here is the 787 I am filming right now. Let's take a different view. Sorry it's not zoom. There. Here you can see the features, 787. The engine is pretty big, as you can see. Has a nice view from there, actually. Right there. Sorry for that. The sun, it's kind of cloudy and the reflection is pretty white. But yeah. Sorry for it being a little wavy, folks. I'm using a digital camera. I'm not using a camera that you would normally use. Okay, here we have what is called MBX Air, or Airways, as some may call. This is not a real airline. This is just an airline from Matchbox. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, wheels, nice, everything, realistic. I give this a 5-star airplanes because you don't find these at a low price. I mean, $3 is okay. Okay, here we come to DHL Express. Of course, this is real because this is one of the cargo planes. In part 3, I may be featuring another cargo plane that I have. I think it's pretty cool. It says SB-72, as what most of them say. So let me just put the camera down and let's take a little trip as we were in a little car. And I think it looks neat. Sorry for that bump right there. Okay, we're gonna give it a frontal view of it. Okay, so say hi to our little friends over there. Okay, here we come to another Matchbox Air. Sorry for that bump again. It's a kind of old plane. It's the 1997 version. It's okay. It's a version from 1987. This is another version from 1997, excuse me. This plane you see right there. This plane. Let me give it some shade. Okay, there you go. American Airlines. This is my first plane. I want to point it out. This was my first plane. Okay, so just to tell you, there we go. A Continental. Yes, this is a 777-200. I think it's pretty cool. Nice. I think it looks pretty cool right there. Yeah. Yes, we take a little trip down there. Okay, here we move along because I don't want to waste all my time. Another Continental. This one's bigger. I got for a Christmas present. I love airplanes, as you can see. Here's a British Airways. Go to England with this, Great Britain. I like it. It looks pretty cool. I like the front of it. Frontal view of those. Okay, here we move along to the Cessna Citation Jets. Here's one with the DARE. To resist drugs and violence plane. Okay, here we just have an average business jet. You would see around. Yes, I think that's pretty cool. Okay, here we come to the 747-400s. This is another Matchbox, or MB Air. It's pretty cool. This is one of my newest planes, which is the Northwest Airlines. I also love because I never thought they would make one of these, and they're actually making some new airlines. Well, which exist. I really like that. Okay, here we have another Continental. This is the third one in this video, so just don't. Here we have an Alaska Airlines and another American Airlines right there. You might really enjoy that. Yes. And nice 737s. I like these. Oh. Well, I hope you enjoyed that segment of this video. We don't have much time, but stay tuned for part 3 of Airliners. Until next time,